समाचार। हाफलों में एडिशनल कोर्ट बिल्डिंग का उद्घाटन समारोह। आज हाफलों में जिला उपायुक्त कार्यालय के निकट एडिशनल कोर्ट बिल्डिंग डिमा हासाओ जिला जुडिशरी की एक उद्घाटन समारोह हुआ। ये एडिशनल कोर्ट बिल्डिंग जस्टिस एन कोटेश्वर सिंह, चीफ जस्टिस गुवाहाटी हाई कोर्ट ने जस्टिस मनोज रंजन पाठक, गुवाहाटी हाई कोर्ट डिमा हासाओ जिला उपायुक्त पोल बरुआ, उत्तर कछर के साहित्य परिषद के रानू लंगथसा, जस्टिस मनीष चौधरी, जस्टिस अभिजीत भट्टाचार्य की उपस्थिति में उद्घाटन किया। उद्घाटन समारोह के दौरान चीफ जस्टिस एन कोटेश्वर सिंह एवं अन्य वक्ताओं ने इस एडिशनल कोर्ट की आरंभ होने पर हाफलों डिमा हासाओ जिला के लोगों को कानूनी सेवा की इसकी पूरी सुविधाएं उपलब्ध होगा।
I would like to call up on the dais our Shri Abhijit Bhattacharya, District and Session Judge, Dima Hasaao. Next, I would like to call up on the dais Shri Paul Barua, Deputy Commissioner, Dima Hasaao. Now we would like to felicitate Honorable Next, we would like to felicitate Srimati Ranu Longthasa, Chairperson of North Cachar Hills Autonomous Council, Dima Hasaao. Lastly, we would like to felicitate Shri Ajay Chakrabarti.
Really indeed beautiful with such a wonderful climatic condition. His predecessors, the name of the list of predecessors, the first one, he was the SDO in 1894. I was just saying that in 1891, the British annexed Manipur after a brief war. What is called the Anglo-British War in 1891, and just one can imagine how old this Haflong is in the modern history of our country. That an SDO was there already in 1894. In fact, the beautiful from the Circuit House, one can see the railway line also. See, is one of the few extremely important GDP. Is said for the country. It's less than
and our speedy disposal and of delivery of justice, so that we can get speedy in our system. So we are very thankful to our honorable justices who are here. And today, in this inaugural function, of the additional district court of Haflong, I hope that our Dima Hasao people, they'll have easy way so that they could not go long way there in Jatinga and for their small problems. And in this, those who are connected with this court problem will be benefited in the speedy way. And I also thank
for additional space, which I think with this, it was originally a dark bungalow. Now it is converted into an additional building, additional courtroom. So they'll be, adjusted in this, and they can operate from this temporary accommodation. It will go in long way in giving justice to the people of Dima Hasao. Now coming to the other point is that Haflong actually, sir, is a beautiful hill station and only one in Assam. It is at an elevation of 966 meters and the station has many tourist attractions and fantastic viewpoints, natural streams and waterfalls close by. Sir, we have moderate to harsh winters out here. We have the famous Jatinga village, which is very close to the Haflong town, and
the additional court building, and very heartily gratitude to the Honorable District and Session Judge, and also CEM and his Autonomous Council and his administration for overall support and cooperation, for all support for the setting up of additional court building. Also, I convey my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to the Honorable District Judge Sri Abhijit Bhattacharya and Honorable CGM Dima Hasao District with the help of Deputy Commissioner Dima Hasao Haflong for organizing this momentous event. It is a landmark for the judiciary system in the Dima Hasao District. Honorable distinguished guests, the additional court building no doubt lead a greater benefit to and comfort for a lawyer and judges and the litigants and other connected with the court and court matters. We must appreciate border spirit behind it. Such